Hey guys, I just picked up this Baja mini bike, 80 bucks. It does no good. Today I'm going to fix it up, disassemble it, see if I'm going to be able to use the engine. And yeah, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so this is what I'm dealing with. A little bit of rust on the handlebars. Not a big deal, but see, it's going to need something. I think the clutch and all that chain, I'm going to need to put a chain on it, but I think the clutch is still good. I don't know about the engine. The gas tank has some kind of liquid that's not gasoline because it didn't have a cap on it. And yeah, I don't know what's going on with the back wheel situation. I might need a new tire, but yeah, so well, looks like I got some work to do.
So proudly we hailed, and the twilight's last gleaming, broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight.
Okay, so I got the new engine. It's a Predator 212cc, 6.5 horsepower, and I got the seat done. It looks awesome. So now I'm gonna install this on the mini bike and finish it up.
For those unaware, that flag is still there. It's our future to save. Land of the brave, the U.S. of A. Oh, say, just that star, spangled banner, yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna weld up a exhaust pipe, custom exhaust pipe with this 1-inch steel tubing.